Hello everyone, welcome back to Triplezon. If you have ever struggled with short Ethernet cables or unstable wired connections, you know how frustrating network setup can be. Today we are looking at a simple yet powerful solution that could easily earn the title of Best RJ45 Connector for your setup. It is compact, durable, and built for serious speed. Let's get started. The Ugreen NW261 RJ45 connector is designed to make extending your network cable quick and stress-free. It features a plug-and-play design, which means you simply connect your Ethernet cables and you are ready to go. There is no need for extra tools, complicated steps, or technical skills. It instantly creates a secure and stable connection, helping you extend your network in seconds. Build quality is one of the biggest strengths of the Ugreen NW261 RJ45 connector. It comes with a strong aluminum alloy metal shell that protects the internal components from damage. This solid outer layer helps prevent wear over time and keeps the connector safe from daily bumps or pressure. Inside, it uses gold-plated 3U pins. These pins resist corrosion and help maintain consistent data transmission. As a result, your connection stays stable and reliable even after long-term use. Compatibility is another key feature. The Ugreen NW261 RJ45 connector supports a wide range of Ethernet cable types, including Cat8, Cat7, Cat6A, Cat6, Cat5e, and Cat5. This means you can use it with both modern high-speed setups and older network systems. Whether you are upgrading your internet speed or simply extending an existing cable, it fits smoothly into almost any network environment. When it comes to performance, this connector is built for speed. It supports data transfer rates up to 10 gigabits per second. That level of performance allows extremely fast internet connectivity and large file downloads reaching up to 1,250 megabytes per second. You can stream high-resolution content, transfer heavy files, and enjoy smooth online gaming without worrying about signal drops. The female-to-female design is simple but very useful. It allows you to connect two Ethernet cables together to extend the total length. With proper cables, you can extend your network reach up to 100 meters while maintaining strong signal integrity. This is especially helpful when setting up connections across large rooms or different areas of a home or office. The overall design of the Ugreen NW261 RJ45 connector is compact and practical. It does not take up much space and blends easily into your cable setup. Despite its small size, it delivers strong and stable performance. The combination of durable materials, high-speed capability, and wide compatibility makes it a reliable addition to any wired network. This tiny connector can make a big difference in your network setup. Check the price link in the description to learn more about it. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.